Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamualaikum viewers.
Today, Baba is going to be tricking us with 3 new magic tricks. So, let's start the video.
हाँ जी गाइस, आज के ट्रिक के लिए रेडी?
Yeah.
चलें जी। ये क्या आपके सामने?
Toothpicks.
टूथपिक्स।
Yeah.
ओके, एक मुझे दे दो।
Just one.
कोई मेरे हाथ में पहले तो नहीं है?
No.
Okay. एक give me one. Sure is one, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Shall I hide it?
Okay.
That's सही है।
It's in your hand.
भाई ये उड़ रही है ना वो?
Where?
Yes, है।
How?
Wow.
तो ये देखो।
No, how? Wait, but
ये है।
wait.
हाँ।
Where was it?
देखो ये गुम।
No,
ये
it was
पकड़ ली।
in the sky. Was it invisible or something?
Yup. That's gone.
Where did it go?
That's here.
Wait, what?
How?
Catch it again. Hey, a toothpick, where are you?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oi.
wow.
That's gone.
What is
That's here.
it?
So, are you guys ready for trick number 2?
Yes.
Okay जी. Second trick ये है कि ये यहाँ पे रखनी है बोतल, ठीक है, और बीच में नोट ये आपने निकालना है. You're not allowed to touch bottles. Take it out. Who gonna try first?
Me?
Okay, Rush, let her do. Try करो.
That scared me.
No, Heather's try. Heather's try. Yes. The last trick will be amazing.
This
Karo.
has something to do with the position, right?
करो.
Because every time you put this near the edge of this, so maybe no, it's gonna.
You can
fall
try, yeah.
like that.
Bottles को touch नहीं करना.
I'm trying not to.
Yeah.
If I.
Oh, that's
So
scared me.
close, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So अभी मैं करके दिखाऊं.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. ये तो सिंपल होता है. यहाँ से पकड़ना है और यूं करें तो बस बाय.
Hold on, let me try.
Third trick. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. देखो कितने coins हैं?
2, 1 in each, and now
देखो.
real.
Real one.
Yeah.
किधर है?
One here and one here.
Yes, you're right. चलो दोबारा देखो.
Yay!
दोबारा देखो.
Oi. One in here and one in here again. Oh! Where?
Look.
How?
You want me to do again?
Yeah.
Look.
Please. How?
किधर है?
Okay, the one in here and one in here, right? But then how did it?
How do they disappear?
Look.
What, did they like go through your?
Let's do again. Third and last try. Look.
Okay.
किधर है?
Then
One in here and one in here.
one in here or one in here? Oh, only one in here. It's gone.
Yeah.
Ow!
So आज enjoy किया?
Yes.
Thank you viewers. Hopefully
Thank you
आपने
all
भी
for
enjoy
watching.
किया होगा.
Thank you
See you
all for
in next
watching.
video.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Welcome back, viewers.
Start again.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम कहना.
चलो दोबारा बोलो.
अस्सलाम
Whoosh,
वालेकुम
you
कहना.
need to look at
उधर
the
देख के,
camera.
उधर देख के कैमरे में.
Now we can do it. Opposite.
ये लो किचन में रख के आओ.
No, Baba,
चलो
okay.
निसे.
Da,
ठीक है.
That was good.
पता लगा.
Wasim TV, you guys.
Okay. ठीक है. यूं. Oh.
It fell.